So if you feel YouTube have suddenly stopped recommending your videos and your videos are no more getting views, I've been there before. Today I'm going to share with you 5 things that you need to do or you can fix to start bringing recovery to your channel. On my previous channel, I started experiencing low views on my videos, and because of that, I have to sit down and implement these 5 things that I'm going to share with you in this video. After implementing these 5 things that I'm going to talk about with you in this video, my video started getting views on my channel. So whatever I'm going to share with you in this video is based on experience. Let's get right into the video. Now, the first thing that you need to work on or you need to fix is for you to optimize your old videos. When I say optimize your old videos, we are going to talk about 3 things under the optimization. The first thing that we are going to talk about is your video title. Now, check your video title and the content that you have created and check whether it matches your title. If it doesn't match your title, look for videos that are working, videos that is related to your niche or the video that you have created, and then check the title that is working for those existing videos on YouTube. Now, based on that, you can use or you can adapt some of the titles and use it to update your old videos. Right, make sure the title that you are going to use to update the old video matches your content. It shouldn't be different or far different from what is already existing. Now, the second thing under the optimization is to work on your tags. Now, also go to your tags and find out whether the tag that you have provided under that video matches your content. Sometimes some people make the mistake of bringing in tags or putting in tags that doesn't even relate to the video that they have made, hoping that because those tags are trending tags, it can affect the video's views or it can increase the views or those videos. And then some people also make the mistake of including celebrities' names in their tags because they want their videos to get attention or they want their videos to appear in search whenever somebody type that celebrity's name. That is a wrong move. Do not do that. If you have done that in any of your videos, then go back to your YouTube studio, change those tags and provide tags that matches your content. Also provide tags that are searchable either on Google or in YouTube homepage. Now, the third thing that I'm going to talk about the optimization is your video description. Always provide high SEO video description to your video. Now, if you don't know how to write high SEO video description, you can ask ChatGPT to do that for you. So go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, write high SEO on this video for me. Then put your title in the quote like what you are seeing on the screen. If you want me to share this prompt with you, go to the comment section and type share the prompt with me, and I'm going to share a link to this prompt with you so that you can use this prompt to ask ChatGPT to give you high SEO video description based on the video title that you have provided. And this can affect or can bring massive change to your video views, either your new videos, your existing videos. Now, the third thing we are going to talk about under the optimization is your thumbnail. Ask yourself, the thumbnail that I have provided, is it a clickbait thumbnail? If it's a clickbait thumbnail, delete that thumbnail or pull that thumbnail down and create a new one. Ask yourself, this thumbnail that I've provided to my video, if I compare this thumbnail with other existing videos on YouTube that is related to the same content that I have created or the same video that I have created, which one will you choose yourself? When you see that video, assuming that video it doesn't belong to you and you see those videos, compare it to about 10 videos and ask yourself whether you will pick your own first or second. If deep down within you you know that you will not pick that video because of the thumbnail, then update your thumbnail. Look for existing videos that is already on YouTube that have created the same type of video that you have created or content you have created, and then compare that thumbnail. If that video is doing well, it means that the thumbnail is working and the title and the description of that video is working. Use that as a reference video to update your thumbnail. That's one thing that you need to do if your videos are no more getting views or is no more recommended by YouTube. When you start doing that, you see the algorithm smiling at you. Now let's look at the second one. The second thing that you need to do if YouTube have stopped recommending your videos or your videos are no more getting views is to collaborate with other creators. Now, do not go to YouTube and start looking for big creators to collaborate with. That won't help your channel. Look for creators that are a little above your channel or equal to your channel. Look for a creator that is creating content around your niche, or that is also within your niche. For example, if you're in the finance niche, do not go and look for a creator that is within the cooking niche, because that creator is making a lot of views on their videos, and because you want to get the attention of their audience from that channel, you want to collaborate with them. It doesn't matter whether the person is your sister, is your friend, or is your relative. Do not do that. YouTube is not about families and friends and relatives. It's a serious business. It's something that you need to be strategic about it for you to be successful on that. So look for creators that are creating videos within your niche, that are a little bit above you, and collaborate with them. If you are able to do that, you are going to share audience from both channels, and that will start having impact on your videos, both old videos and your new videos. And if you do that, YouTube will start recommending your videos for your videos to get more views. Now let's look at the third thing that you need to do, or you need to work on or fix for YouTube to start recommending your videos to get more views on your videos. Now the third thing that you need to also fix, or you need to check, is your click-through rate, your watch time, and your audience retention. If your click-through rate is low, it's automatically telling YouTube that that video you have created is not a good video. People are avoiding your videos, and YouTube will stop promoting that video. The moment the click-through rate is high, YouTube will keep pushing that video because people like that video. It's just an indication that people like that video. That's why they keep clicking on that video. And the algorithm does not have any other choice than to promote or keep pushing that video for broader audience. That is why sometimes when you go to YouTube, the first thing you see are some videos that are going viral. Because the click-through rate is high, YouTube will keep pushing that video. Even if you keep avoiding that video yourself, YouTube will still push that video to you anytime you come to the home page. It's just an indication that the click-through rate of that video is good. People are welcoming that video, and because of that, YouTube will keep pushing that video. Now, if your click-through rate is low, then it means that your thumbnail or your title has a problem. Work on the thumbnail and work on your title, because these two things are the first thing people see before they click on your video. You know, there's a saying that people judge you based on your first appearance. Oh, that's the same thing about the thumbnail. That's the first thing people see before they click on your video to watch. If your title too is bad, they will not click on your video. So work on both your thumbnail and your title. Those are the things that catch people's attention. Like I said in my previous video, make sure you have a bold text, you are using bright colors, and you are also using face-up images on your thumbnail. Do not use full image of yourself on your thumbnail. It should be a face-up image like this. If you are able to do this very well, your click-through rate will go high. The second thing that you need to do under the channel health, which is also the channel analytics, is to focus on your watch time. If your watch time is low, it's an indication that the video is a bad video. But if your click-through rate is high, your watch time is high, and you're still not getting views, that means YouTube is not treating your video well. But if your watch time is low and your click-through rate too is also low, it means your video is not good. If you have a high click-through rate and you have low watch time on your video, like 1 minute, 2 minutes on your video, it means that your video is bad. You need to work on your video, either the style of your video, the audio, or the quality of the video that you are making is bad. So work on those things. The third thing under the channel health or the analytics is your audience retention. The audience retention have impact on the watch time, so it works together. If your audience retention is high, it means that people are watching your video for a longer time, and that will have good impact on your watch time. Now, if you have all these things in check and everything is in order, everything is high, and your videos are not getting views, then YouTube is not treating your video well. You need to do something about it. But if one of them or everything is low, that means you need to work on your side. You need to improve on it to get better video views on your videos. The fourth thing that you need to fix or you need to work on to improve your video views, or for YouTube to start promoting your videos, is to leverage on shorts. There have been so many discussions about YouTube shorts, whether you should do long form videos or you should do shorts. But if you're doing long form videos, one thing that can also help you to get more views is by leveraging on shorts. Just look up for a teaser video or a short clip from your long form videos and use it or convert it into short. That interesting part of that video is a way of promoting your long form video. Publish that short and link that short to your long form video on your channel. People who are interested in that short might follow the link and then come to your channel and start watching that long form video and watch other videos of yours on the channel. So leverage on short. And then one thing that I want you to know is that YouTube is promoting short heavily. You know, there are a lot of competitors in the system. We have Reels, we have TikTok, and all these platforms are promoting short videos. So if YouTube also don't promote or reward creators that create short on their platform, creators will leave the platform and go to the other competitors platform to start creating content there. It is a nice way for you to get subscribers and get views on your channel. So do not downplay short videos. Always include that on your channel. There's a portion for short and there's a portion for YouTube videos. People who are interested in short will watch short. People who are interested in long form videos will also watch your long form videos. Now let's look at the final thing that you need to work on to improve your video views on your channel. Keep creating consistently and be patient about it. The algorithm reward consistency. Do not create a video today, publish it tomorrow, and then go and sleep waiting for YouTube algorithm to push that video, for the video to get viral before you create the next one. That is a big no. It doesn't work that way. Keep sticking to your schedules and keep posting the video, whether you get views or you don't get views. You don't know which video will go viral to bring that change you are looking for. So keep pushing and creating videos consistently. Stick to your posting time and keep publishing videos or creating videos for your channel. There is no way you keep posting videos for a longer period consistently and the algorithm will not push your video. When you keep disturbing the algorithm, it will definitely pick your videos and start exposing it to get more views on your videos. And also keep experimenting new things, try new styles, try new things on your channel till you finally get the formula or you get something or a style that will work for your channel. And also share the video with families and friends who need this video. Until then, if you want to know why your videos are not getting views on your channel, watch this video that will pop up after watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.